So what if you had 65 hours free? What would you do? Build a Lego character or build your skills in supply chain? Hey, DDBrix champions!
Hein? Stop managing chaos!
Hey, DDBrix champions! I'm here in Toronto Airport, right in front of Lego store. And look what I found. A pilot made up entirely with Lego bricks. And guess how long did it took? 65 hours. So what if you had 65 hours free? What would you do? Build a Lego character or build your skills in supply chain? Yes, because with 65 hours, you can complete the entire body of knowledge of demand-driven. 3 days for the demand-driven planner program, including DDBrix Factory. 3 days for demand-driven distribution program, including DDBrix Distribution. Then 2 days for demand-driven leader, and 1 day finally for the Adaptive S&OP. That's it. So for the time you build a pilot in Lego, you can transform your skills to manage better your supply chain and transform it. Now, what will you choose? Do you choose to build Lego characters or to build your career and stop managing chaos?